Are you struggling to reach your weight loss goals? Are you one of the millions of people around the world that want to achieve the ultimate result? Have you tried different diet plans, weight loss supplements, even surgeries, but still can't get the desired body shape? If that's you, then worry no more. Resurge is the new revolutionary weight product that can solve your weight loss and fat burning issues. What is Resurge? Resurge is a brand new weight loss formula that is getting popular and is in high demand due to the fantastic performance and quick results. It is developed and introduced by a nutrition specialist, John Barban. He has been studying and doing extensive research on the links between weight gain, body fat, and sleep deprivation. Resurge is 100% natural, vegetarian that triggers human growth hormone and helps fat burning while sleeping. How Resurge works. Resurge weight loss supplement uses your body's hormones to trigger the fat burning process. The supplement works to improve the sleep quality that enhances the production of HGH, or human growth hormone, in the body. These hormones quickly eliminate extra pounds from the body by burning fat. It also has healing properties that provide maximum recovery from any muscular damage. Benefits of Resurge. This all-natural supplement not only helps you lose weight or burn fat, but it also has multiple benefits that can help improve your overall health. Like fat loss. It is one of the main benefits of using Resurge. It helps you melt fat from your body, especially belly fat. Resurge have the ingredients that burn out the fats and makes your body to lose extra baggage. Provides strength. It improves your muscular strength by clearing out the unwanted fat from your body. When your muscles are lean and muscular, you have more stamina and muscular growth. Treat sleep deprivation. Research has shown that poor sleep quality is linked to weight gain. When you are sleep deprived, the body could not consume the energy to have the proper hormonal excretion, which stores that energy as fat, and thus you gain weight. Resurge triggers the HGH hormone while you sleep and speed up the fat burning. Improves heart health by increasing blood circulation. Resurge eliminates any blockage from the vessels and improves the overall blood circulation. It removes fat cells from the blood vessels and makes the heart work better, reducing the risk of heart problems. Who can take Resurge? With countless benefits, Resurge is perfect for people of all ages who want an active and healthy lifestyle. It has anti-aging benefits, it improves your skin and helps your sleep better. How to take Resurge? Resurge weight loss dietary supplement is straightforward to take, and remember, all you have to do is take one capsule at night before sleeping or after dinner. Only one pill is enough for 24 hours. Don't take it during the day as it can make you sleepy. It is recommended you take it with water or with food. Don't do any heavy work after taking the pill. If you miss the dosage, don't eat too, continue with your daily supplement routine. As with all weight loss supplements, drink plenty of water. Are there any Resurge side effects? It is a 100% natural, gluten-free, plant-based supplement, so it does not have any side effects. Almost anyone can use it. Pregnant women or people who have any chronic diseases should avoid the supplement. Key ingredients of Resurge. Resurge popular due to its 100% natural ingredients. These ingredients give you natural powers to restore sleep, heal muscles, reduce fats, and activating metabolism along with the immune system. Following are the ingredients present in Resurge: melatonin, ashwagandha, hydroxytryptophan, magnesium, L-theanine, lysine, arginine. Where to buy Resurge? To avoid fake and counterfeit products, Resurge is only available on the company's official website and can only be ordered online. We have provided a discounted link below in the description. It comes with 60 days money-back guarantee. How much Resurge cost? Original price of one bottle of 30-day supply is $297, but there is a discount offer only available through the link below, which lowers the cost of one single bottle of Resurge, that has 30 capsules, to $49 with free shipping. If you want to additional month's supply, you can order more bottles together, which gives you more discount. You can order the first 30 days bottle for $49, 90 days, or 3 bottles cost $117, or 6 bottles or 180-day supply cost $204. To sum up, Resurge is one of the best plant-based, all-natural and organic weight loss supplements available in the market today. It improves your overall health and gives you the dream body. Don't wait, supplies are running out. Use the link below to get this fantastic fat-burning product at discount price.